Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I wanted to show you around one of my favorite cars in the lot, and since I actually have one, I had to do the Telluride. So this right here is a 2022 Kia Telluride. We're on the 2022s now, and a couple things they've updated. So if you look up here, finally we've got the brand new Kia logo, brand new on 2022 models. Nice way to distinguish the newer ones, and a fresh new look for Kia to signify the large and sweeping changes they've been making over the last couple years. Brand's really come a long way. And let me show you around a bit. So this one here is an EX. So you have the 8-passenger configuration, 2 front seats, 3 middle seats, 3 third-row seats, ample amount of cargo space even behind your third row, height adjustable power liftgate. And let me show you something cool with this one. So this one actually has the rear seat entertainment package. So if you look at these little screens in here, you can actually access a web browser, YouTube, as well as a number of other apps you can download like Twitch. There's an HDMI input on here as well. So you can actually play your Xbox on this screen in the backseat of your Telluride. And still, just as before, truly beautiful interior, fantastic quality of fit and finish. And a couple other things they've updated for the 2022s. Now they've made integrated navigation and 3-zone automatic climate control standard across all models. So now you'll get that on the LX and the S models as well. Still just an amazing vehicle. There's a lot of hype around these, and it truly, truly merits it. I can't say enough good things about these. So I have this one on the lot right now, actually available. I also have plenty of other inbound options if you're looking for something a little different. So if you have any questions about inbound Tellurides or this one, just call or stop by today.